Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Settings to stop Wallpaper Suggestions system-wide. Open Settings, tap Wallpaper, and look for the toggle labeled Personalization Suggestions or Suggested Photos. This is the first actionable control. Flip it off to stop automatic suggested images from appearing in the lock screen gallery. Once done, make sure to confirm any prompts. You're preventing the wallpaper engine from offering photos rather than removing photos themselves. This is why adjusting this toggle is the essential first move. Now remove the sources that feed those suggestions. Go to Settings, open Siri and search, find Photos, and turn off Suggestions, learn from this app, and search and suggest shortcuts. Then open Settings right arrow Photos and disable Show Featured Content or Memories if present. These steps stop the system from analyzing and promoting images as wallpapers. Once you've disabled those options, restart the iPhone so the system clears cached suggestion data and honors the new privacy settings consistently. Finish by checking Wallpaper right arrow Add New. Suggested collections should be gone. If you still see suggestions, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to force account sync, then restart. If problems persist as a last resort, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Reset all settings. This clears system-level personalization without deleting media. Make sure to back up critical settings first. If you reset, reapply the toggles above and restart. That resolves most lingering suggestion caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.